Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of reclaimed wood to masterpiece for the modern rustic design ideas that builds profit, purpose, beauty. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. Transforming reclaimed wood into masterpieces that define the future of modern rustic living is both an art and a calling, a journey that invites creators to blend imagination, sustainability, and entrepreneurship into something profoundly meaningful. In reclaimed wood lies a quiet poetry that new materials simply cannot replicate. Each weathered board carries a history written by time, sun-faded grains, softened edges, knots formed by decades of growth, and imperfections that tell stories rather than hide them. When a maker touches this wood, they aren't just crafting furniture, they're shaping memory, preserving character, and honoring the natural world. The transformation begins with a vision, a recognition that what once was discarded or forgotten can rise again as a masterpiece filled with soul. This is where the future of modern rustic living begins, not with synthetic trends or fast furniture, but with authenticity, renewal, and designs that feel as alive as the spaces they inhabit. To create beauty from reclaimed wood is to see potential where others see waste. It is a creative act rooted in conscience, a small but powerful rebellion against the disposable culture that encourages us to replace rather than restore. When an artisan sands down a reclaimed beam, revealing the richness beneath the surface, they revive something that nature has crafted over the course of years. In that moment, the maker becomes both artist and steward, preserving the soul of the material while shaping it into something new. Modern rustic living embraces this harmony, where the organic textures of reclaimed would pair effortlessly with contemporary lines, where nature's imperfections enhance a minimalist aesthetic, and where homes feel grounded, intentional, and connected to something deeper than decor. Every piece created from reclaimed wood becomes a bridge between eras, the story of what it once was and the purpose it now fulfills. This approach to woodworking is not just creatively satisfying, it is ethically powerful. The world is becoming increasingly conscious of environmental impact, and reclaimed wood stands at the intersection of sustainability and beauty. Using wood already shaped by time means reducing the need for new lumber, protecting forests, and honoring the resources nature has already given. As a result, every reclaimed piece carries an eco-friendly identity that resonates deeply with modern homeowners who want their living spaces to reflect not only style, but values. To craft with reclaimed wood is to participate in a movement that blends environmental responsibility with artistic expression, a movement that imagines the future not as something produced quickly, but something created thoughtfully with care. The transformation from reclaimed wood to modern rustic masterpieces is also a journey of entrepreneurship, an opportunity for makers to build meaningful, profitable businesses rooted in craftsmanship and story. Today's customers crave connection. They want more than furniture. They want purpose, narrative, and emotional resonance. A dining table made from old barn wood becomes more than a surface. It becomes a conversation piece filled with heritage and artistry. A reclaimed wood headboard doesn't just decorate a bedroom. It adds warmth, character, and a sense of grounded comfort. Entrepreneurs who embrace this form of craftsmanship don't just sell products. They sell experiences, legacies, and a reminder that beauty doesn't come from perfection, but from authenticity. Because each piece is unique, small woodworking businesses have the rare advantage of offering something no factory can replicate: intimacy, individuality, and intention. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The modern rustic lifestyle goes beyond aesthetic. It represents a way of living that values connection to nature, to craftsmanship, to sustainability, and to creativity. A home filled with reclaimed wood furniture radiates tranquility and belonging. It carries the spirit of nature indoors, inviting people to slow down and appreciate the world around them. This style is not about clutter or complexity, but about harmony, clean lines paired with organic textures, simplicity softened by warmth, and contemporary forms enriched by the depth of reclaimed materials. It reflects a lifestyle rooted in mindfulness, where spaces feel like sanctuaries and every piece of decor contributes to a narrative of renewal. For entrepreneurs, this movement opens the door to endless possibilities. Reclaimed wood can become tables, shelves, benches, wall art, lighting, and decor pieces that seamlessly fit into modern homes. The market continues to grow as people seek handcrafted, eco-conscious alternatives to mass-produced items. This demand allows makers to turn their creativity into income, building businesses that align with their artistic passions and ethical commitments. There is a profound satisfaction in knowing that every piece sold not only enhances someone's living space, but also reduces waste and honors nature. Entrepreneurship rooted in reclaimed wood is not just a business model, it is a philosophy that stands for renewal, sustainability, and mindful design. Crafting masterpieces from reclaimed wood also shapes a lifestyle that celebrates purpose, patience, and presence. Every project teaches the maker something new about technique, about material, and about themselves. Working with reclaimed wood requires respect. It demands listening to the material, understanding its history, and responding to its unique characteristics. This relationship between maker and material cultivates a sense of gratitude and responsibility. It turns woodworking into a practice of mindfulness, where the process becomes just as important as the product. Those who adopt this lifestyle discover a deeper connection to their craft, their business, and the natural world. Transforming reclaimed wood into modern rustic masterpieces is an act of renewal, not just for the material, but for the maker and the spaces they touch. It is a reminder that beauty can be reborn, that history can become future, and that creativity can coexist with responsibility. This movement unites art, nature, and entrepreneurship into a single harmonious pursuit, one that inspires people to build homes that feel alive, businesses that reflect their values, and lives that celebrate sustainability and creativity. To craft from reclaimed wood is to embrace a future where design is not rushed but cherished, where materials are not wasted but honored, and where every creation carries a story worth sharing. It is an invitation to shape not just furniture, but a legacy rooted in care, intention, and the enduring beauty of renewal. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked reclaimed wood to masterpiece for the modern rustic design ideas that builds profit, purpose, beauty. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.